Okay, friends, we're going to do our very first science center for the year. So for this, you're going to learn a really cool program that I like to use. Parents, if you can help me by going back to Clever and then clicking on the Brain Pop Junior to have it opened for your child, then coming back and clicking on the Science Skills Brain Pop, and clicking the link. Then I already have the assignment. So in the assignment, I gave the science skills movie, the science skills easy quiz, and the science skills draw about it. So you'll start by watching the movie. And you can click play. I'm going to pause that. Your child can watch through the whole movie. These are really cute. My class usually loves them. Then you can click on show details. There's a science skills easy quiz that they can take. They are labeled as easy quizzes, but they are a little tricky sometimes, so I'm not looking for on these just to see how they did in their listening skills. It will also read the question to them and their answer choices. And then you can go back up again, show details, and I also did a science skills draw about it. So it will read the prompt to them, and then you can click start and they can draw their picture. So just a fun little activity for science skills. Now, this is the first time that I'm trialing doing the Brain Pop Junior link like this. On my side, it's working perfectly. Please, parents, let me know if something is not working on your side, and then I will fix it for next time. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know. And friends, enjoy your first Brain Pop Junior video.